to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you'd like to join the secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, it's a really special one. Me and Liz FashionTalents had gotten together, and I actually sent her this palette. It's the Kat Von D Sinner and Saint. So we're doing a collab, and we're just creating our own eye looks, and I will leave a link in the description box below to her channel. So please go check out what kind of look she created using the same palette. I lucked out and found these at Sephora. They actually came out during her 10th anniversary collection. So I was so stoked when I saw this. My mouth literally dropped to the floor. I was like, no way, oh my gosh, I've been really wanting that so bad. So I was so happy to find this, and I was really glad that she didn't have it already, and she was nice enough to accept the collab. And so without further ado, if you'd like to see how I created this eye look, go ahead and keep on watching this video. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. It's kind of in honor of Pride Month. I kind of have the sunset glitter gold on the top with a silver highlight on the brow. And I have on Kat Von D's red liquid lip in the shade Dazzle with just a dark H&M. It's an actual eye shadow stick. I use that to create the ombre. I'm really loving it. I know it doesn't quite match, but hey, I cannot complain. I highlighted with Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and I also used her Metal Crush Gold School. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows, my foundation, my contour, and my blush. And I set my eyes with the MAC Painterly Pot. Today we're going in with the Kat Von D. I'm really excited about this palette today. And I was thinking to do kind of like a sunset look on the top with the gold, the orange, and the red. And then do a green, blue, and a purple underneath. So first I'm going into the shade Stigmata over here on the right hand side, and I'm just gonna cut my crease or put down a map or an outline of where I want it to be. So that looks pretty good. I was really excited to find these at Sephora. I was actually looking at the new Kat Von D 10th anniversary stuff, and I seen it sitting there out in the aisle on one of their displays, and I was super shocked. I couldn't believe it because I thought it was a limited edition, and I was super excited, so I snatched two of them up as quickly as I could. I did say as soon as I saw it, I thought of Liz FashionTalents. She's such an amazing and creative artist. She's always doing very bold, colorful eye looks. I just love her personality. Her channel is amazing, very creative and talented. So that's it for my crease. That's basically the outline that I'm going to follow. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with I'll use a smaller one. I'm going to use this angled brush, and let's go into Amen, and we're just going to set the very top. A little bit smaller brush. It's actually about the same size, but it's a flat, rounded. We're going to go in with the shade Relic, which is a gold shade. We're just going to try to get up as high as we can. This is by e.l.f. Blending Eye Brush. We're actually going to go into this orange shade called Devil. I'm going to go right below that. Okay, so I'm now going to go back in with this gold brush. We're just going to blend it in. Now we're going to take an even smaller brush. This is the eye crease brush. And we're going to go in back to Stigmata again. And we're just going to darken up the crease. Stay towards the bottom there. Now we're going to go back into this orange and just add a little tiny bit more to blend out that red. And go back into the gold shade. Add just a little bit more. I'm going to use this NYX. We're going to go ahead and cut our crease. Just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm using this precision concealer brush. That looks awesome. And there's this Exodus shade. Wiping it off a little bit. And then for the blue, we're going to go into Ministry. I'm going to use Exorcism. Absolution, this very top shade here. I'm going to go back into the red Stigmata. We're just going to clean this up just a little bit. Let's go in with the Clinique, because I'm going to put on some lashes today. So I did get a little bit messy there, but we're going to cover it up with this Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Trooper. take this Catrice. We'll just go back into Amen. Okay, we'll go back in with the Kat Von D. Yes, I love that. Oh, I did it. So now, let's get a little color there. Let's do the green. I'm going to use this same brush. We're going to go into Sabbath. Take a clean brush and just kind of smoke out the edges. Okay. Now let's go into Heaven. We're just gonna get this brow bone. Red one more time. So for highlighter, let's go ahead and use the Kat Von D as well. Let's go for the opal. See what that looks like. Brows. I'm just gonna clean them up with this Clinique as well. Gold School. Okay, I'm just gonna put on my lashes. Let's actually do some setting spray. Matte by NYX. And then a little bit of Urban Decay. Fallout. Oh well. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on these lashes and I'll be right back. Thank you all so much for watching. From the bottom of my heart, it means really the world to me. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Liz FashionTalents. I'll leave her link in the description box below. She's a really awesome makeup artist, very talented, creative. She has great spirit and soul, I enjoy watching her channel. I enjoy all her content. She comes up with these gorgeous, bold, colorful eye looks. You couldn't ask for more for creativity and talent. So, yes, please check her out, and tell her Shawn sent ya. Thanks for watching. I really love and appreciate it. Sending out my love and light to all. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.